Gardening in a dress.
So today I'm gonna be heading to the compost, y'all. Compost should be ready in about a month, y'all. So I'm gonna add this, drag it around here. Whew. Drag is heavy too. See, it's been raining, so I'm gonna add some more compost. Got carrots, cabbage, and sweet potatoes. Cabbage, sweet potatoes, carrots. Now I'm about to add a layer of of leaves. I want y'all to look at my potato plant and see how it's growing really fast. So I had to box it up because it's growing up and it grows really fast, like sometimes like overnight, you guys. So I'm gonna add some more leaves to it. I'm gonna add some more leaves and I'm gonna add some more soil, because the more that the potato plant grows up, the more potatoes that it will produce. So now I'm going to add some more soil. You want to cover the plant. And just know that there's more going to grow if you heal it up. You know, like a little heel. Wherever the potato plant is growing, you heal it up. And it's going to grow some more and some more and some more. So when I come back in maybe a couple of days, you will see more potatoes growing, you guys. And I'll be back. You know I'm coming back.